Hello. Do you want to uncover some of the clues that could help us make over 800% gains in biotech stocks? Stay tuned to watch this short video. Welcome to Taxi Biotech, a show to learn about news and updates from the world of biotechnology and to understand its impact on the stock market. The stock data I share here are just a symptom of how companies or their clinical trials are evolving and do not constitute any investment advice. This is purely for entertainment purposes. Alright, today I don't have much time, so in our weekly review of the top 3 biotech stocks, we have Mink Therapeutics as the best performing stock of the week, skyrocketing 800% in a single day. We also have Prokidney and Artelo. Let's start. And why this happened with Mink? Well, they released data about a patient with metastatic testicular cancer who received their therapy and achieved a complete remission, an amazing result. With that news, the stock price skyrocketed because it was a tiny company, worth barely $30 million. They were looking to validate this new cell therapy. Until now, it wasn't clear whether their therapy would work. They had a very limited pipeline based on a new cell type called invariant natural killer cells. This cell type is relatively new, discovered about 20 years ago. They are able to recognize lipids in the body and foreign ones, acting like an antigen. And there are hardly any human studies using these cells. They put out the press release while publishing their study in the prestigious journal Nature. Anyway, let's get to the point. This is a channel mixing biotech and stocks. So, could we have known they were going to publish these results? Well, damn it, yes, damn it. Because I missed it. In their May 15th press release, where they discussed their financial results and the highlights for the rest of the year, they clearly state they would publish a case with a patient achieving complete remission using their invariant natural killer T-cell therapy. They spell it out exactly as it happened. I imagine this paragraph didn't catch investors' attention, and now it has exploded. But here we are, to learn this valuable lesson. In fact, this Q1 I've been covering most of the financial reports and highlights. I need to check if I have any filters based on market cap because I missed this new. So I won't let this opportunity slip away again. But hey, super important. They also told us they only have 3.2 million in cash and they burn about 2.8 million every quarter. You guys who follow this channel know what that means, right? They are going to need money. Okay, another top biotech stock of the week is Prokidney, which presents positive results in patients with diabetes and chronic kidney disease. They test the drug with an injection in each kidney and saw that the decline in kidney function slowed compared to what expected for those patients. Now they are going to meet the FDA to see how they can move forward with accelerated approval for this drug. In their financial analysis, they say they have enough cash to last until mid-2027. Their financial position is better, so they don't need to raise new capital for now, maybe. Plus, this data support them to keep developing their molecule and validate their hypothesis. Their stock also shoot up 800%, and now the company's market cap is about $1.3 billion. I haven't analyzed this company so much, but those numbers make me dizzy. $1.3 billion, which is such high market cap. And finally, let's talk about Artelo Biosciences, which has 3 molecules in its pipeline. On June 13th, they say they would announce the first positive human data for one of their molecules. They basically said that it was safe based on adverse event and stable based on pharmacokinetic data in healthy volunteers. That same day, the stock jumped more than 200%. These companies are so tiny. Look at how even a routine piece of data, for example pharmacokinetic data, can send them soaring. Later, they shared a couple more results in animal models. Here and here. They are animal models, okay? But the stock keep climbing after that. More than almost 200%. Although it have big pullbacks too, it's normal. As I've said, unlike Mink with actual human cancer remission data, here, Artelo, they only have animal studies or pharmacodynamic profiles, so they still have a long way to go and volatility is very high. And this is all for today. I finished remembering the lessons from all these video series, learning from best biotech stocks of the week. I'll do another summary for Q2 covering business highlights on Twitter, so we can have a chance at these huge 800% jumps. Stay tuned. Bye.